Welcome to our Fact channel. Here you'll discover a mix of popular, surprising, and even hidden facts about a wide range of topics. In this video, we'll uncover intriguing and lesser-known facts about planet Neptune that are bound to capture your interest. Let's get started. Neptune is known as an ice giant due to its frigid temperatures and composition, made mostly of ice and gas like hydrogen, helium, and water vapor. Neptune has the fastest winds in our solar system, reaching speeds up to 1,200 miles per hour, 2,000 kilometers per hour, which is faster than a supersonic jet. Neptune's striking blue color is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light into space. Similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, Neptune has a storm system called the Great Dark Spot, which is a massive storm the size of Earth. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system, with temperatures dropping as low as 290 degrees on deck, after 230 degrees the first day of spring, even though it is not the farthest from the sun. Neptune has 14 known moons, with its largest moon, Triton, being the most famous. Triton orbits Neptune in the opposite direction to the planet's rotation. Neptune has faint rings made of ice particles and dust, which are harder to see compared to Saturn's rings, but still encircle the planet. A single year on Neptune, which is the time it takes to orbit the Sun, lasts about 165 Earth years, meaning Neptune has only completed one orbit since its discovery. Neptune was the first planet discovered through mathematical predictions rather than direct observation. It was found in 1846 by Johann Galle after predictions by Urbain Le Verrier. Neptune's gravity is similar to Earth's, making it possible for a human to stand on its surface, if it had a solid one, without experiencing too much force. Neptune's largest moon, Triton, has geysers that spew nitrogen gas, making it one of the few objects in the solar system with active volcanism. Neptune's interior is made up of a rocky core surrounded by a thick, slushy mixture of water, ammonia, and methane, forming an icy mantle. Neptune has distinct cloud layers, with some clouds made of frozen methane and others of hydrogen sulfide, resulting in high-altitude, fast-moving clouds. Although a year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years, a single day on Neptune is only about 16 hours long due to its rapid rotation. Neptune's magnetic field is unusual. It is tilted at 47 degrees compared to its rotational axis, and is offset from the planet's center. The only spacecraft to have flown by Neptune is NASA's Voyager 2, which provided the first close-up images of the planet in 1989. Neptune has an axial tilt of 28 degrees, similar to Earth's, which gives it seasonal changes, though its seasons last over 40 years. Neptune's storms are intense and short-lived compared to those on Jupiter, with dark spots appearing and disappearing within a few years. Neptune's rings are not uniform but instead have ring arcs, which are clumps of material that orbit in segments rather than complete continuous rings. Neptune is about 2.8 billion miles, 4.5 billion kilometers, from the Sun, making it the farthest planet in our solar system. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, orbits in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation, which suggests it may have been captured by Neptune's gravity. Neptune likely formed closer to the Sun and migrated outward over time, becoming one of the outermost planets in the solar system. Neptune's atmosphere contains methane, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light, giving the planet its distinctive color. Neptune is about 17 times the mass of Earth and is the fourth largest planet in the solar system by diameter. Despite its cold temperatures, Neptune has active weather patterns, with the temperature increasing as you go deeper into its atmosphere. Neptune's south pole is warmer than the rest of the planet by about 18 DEFP, a mysterious phenomenon scientists are still trying to understand. Despite its great distance from the Sun, Neptune has some of the most active and dynamic weather patterns in the solar system. Neptune's clouds can travel at incredible speeds, with some moving at over 700 miles per hour, 1,127 kilometers per hour. Some scientists believe Triton could have a subsurface ocean, raising the possibility that it may harbor microbial life. Neptune's orbit is nearly circular but slightly elliptical, which influences its distance from the Sun and seasons over time. Even though Neptune is far from the Sun, it reflects enough sunlight to be visible through telescopes, appearing as a small blue dot. Neptune's rings are incomplete and made up of clumps of ice and rock, creating arcs rather than full circles. The outer atmosphere of Neptune is made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which gives the planet its blue color and windy conditions. The pressure in Neptune's atmosphere is so high that it may compress carbon into diamond, which could rain down in the deep atmosphere. Neptune's gravitational pull helps to stabilize the orbits of many objects in the Kuiper belt, including dwarf planets like Pluto. Neptune was discovered in 1846 by astronomers Urbain Le Verrier and Johann Galle after noticing irregularities in Uranus's orbit. Triton is slowly spiraling inward toward Neptune and is expected to eventually be torn apart by the planet's gravity, forming a ring. In astrology, Neptune is associated with dreams, intuition, and illusion, often linked to the subconscious and the unknown. Despite being far from the Sun, Neptune emits more energy than it receives, likely due to its internal heat. Neptune's great dark spots are giant storms similar to hurricanes on Earth, with wind speeds over 1,200 miles per hour, 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune and Uranus are often called ice giants due to their similar size, composition, and cold temperatures. But Neptune is more active with weather patterns. Neptune's magnetosphere is tilted at 47 degrees from its rotational axis, creating complex magnetic fields that extend far into space. Triton, the largest moon of Neptune, has a retrograde orbit, which is opposite to Neptune's rotation, suggesting it may have been captured rather than formed there. Although Neptune is a gas giant, it still experiences seasons due to its axial tilt of 28.3 degrees, but its seasons last for more than 40 Earth years. Neptune has auroras similar to Earth's northern and southern lights, caused by charged particles interacting with the planet's magnetic field. Neptune's gravity affects the orbit of Pluto, keeping the dwarf planet in a resonant orbit, meaning they never collide despite crossing paths. Neptune generates its own heat, likely from slow gravitational contraction and possibly radioactive decay, making it warmer than expected for its distance from the Sun. Neptune's tilt of 28 degrees is similar to Earth's, giving it long seasons that last about 40 years due to its slow orbit around the Sun. Scientists are still unsure of Neptune's exact composition, but it is believed to be made up of a thick mixture of water, methane, and ammonia surrounding a rocky core. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, with speeds up to 1,200 miles per hour, 2,000 km/h, which is faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, has a cold, icy surface with nitrogen geysers, making it one of the coldest places in the solar system. On average, Neptune is about 2.7 billion miles, 4.3 billion kilometers, from Earth, making it the most distant planet in our solar system. Future missions to Neptune may focus on studying its atmosphere, moons, and potential for liquid oceans beneath its icy clouds. Neptune's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium with traces of methane, which gives it the beautiful blue color it's famous for. Neptune has a dense core made of rock and metal, surrounded by a thick layer of water, methane, and ammonia ices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing facts. See you in the next video.